Alright guys, shooting a beautiful 720S in downtown Vancouver with McLaren Vancouver, and yeah, let's get to it. We're in Granville Street area. Quick little walk around with you. First shot, getting all the doors open. Love this shot. Then we'll close the doors. If only this bush wasn't here, but should be fine. We'll make do with it. Get the nice wheels, nice logos. Going pretty quick here because I know the guy with McLaren doesn't have a lot of time, so do everything a little quick. Nice 3/4 tail, nice interior. And we'll go for this side interior. And one more interior, just a little close-up of everything. Okay guys, well thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys watching for the end of the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, so this is a shoot with McLaren, and it was amazing to shoot with them. Got a lot more stuff planned in the future, and I'll see you guys in another video.